Welcome to our tutorial about practical use of delivered 3D PDF files. You can open the 3D PDF files just like any other PDF files with the free Adobe Acrobat Reader or Acrobat Professional if you are a subscriber of the Creative Cloud. In the home menu you can browse for the file, or probably it opens the reader already when you click on any file with the PDF extension. I have opened our sample file already before and see it in the recent files list. As soon as you open a 3D PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Reader, the special 3D file user interface opens. As default, 3D content is disabled. A yellow banner with a message appears. To see and work with a 3D PDF file in Acrobat, you need to enable this 3D feature. There are two options. Trust this document one time only, or trust this document always. As soon as you click on one of the options, all 3D features are enabled. In the center of the user interface you see the 3D object. In our sample file it is the foam insert for one of our projects. Only one part here. Below the 3D object you find default views. Above the object you see the control menu with more functions. We will have a look at this later. To rotate the 3D object, just click on it and rotate it in three-dimensional space. Zoom in and out with the mouse wheel. When you zoom in, some features you want to see disappear. You can move the object with the pan function here. In this menu you can see the different parts. Our example file consists of only one part. Below again the different views. We usually program a start view which we think is most practical as default view. Let's move the 3D object back in and close the flyout menu. Back under the left menu item we see the 3D measurement tool. When we click on it, a small info pop-up appears which we can ignore now. Click and drag on a point on the 3D object to start the measurement, then pull a line towards the second measurement point. The dimension appears. It is recommended to find points in the object to get correct measurements. In this menu here on the right, you can create and modify section cuts. The cross-section cutting plane appear in light blue color. Define the cross-section in the menu point cross-section properties. Define the alignment of the cutting plane to X, Y, Z axis. In our sample object, I chose the X-axis to create a cross-section. With the offset slider, you can define the position of the cutting plane. Let's have a look at the result. I rotate the object to see the cut edge. The solid object appears like a surface model. Looking at the cross-section, we can access areas for controller measurement. There are different options for snap enables in the menu field here, and we can choose also different measurement types, like distance, radius or angle. These are the very basic tools. Many more options are available. Just try it. If you have any questions, just get in touch with the Hengtime team or follow the link in the comments below.